Hello friends, welcome back to our channel SAP Learning 1.0. Friends, in this video we will learn all types of T codes used in module. While we are working in a store, in a procurement department or or managing inventory system, we used many T codes in the module. So in this video we will learn from beginning to the advance. First of all, we learn the T code how to create PR. PR is the shortcut name of purchase requisition. We use T code ME51N for creating purchase requisition. See here practically. ME51N. Type here T code ME51N and press enter. You can see here a interface for creating purchase requisition appear in front of you. So first of all we select here the types of purchase requisition. Types of purchase requisition means which type of purchase requisition you are going to create. If you want to create asset PR means if you want to purchase assets for your company, then you should create asset PR. Automatic PR is created while you create any order, any breakdown order, any maintenance order. At that time, automatic PR has been generated. Generally, we don't use this option. This option is used by default. If we create any order and against that order, a PR has been generated automatically in this section. And secondly, we use material PR. Any types of material, mechanical material, stationary material, grocery items, any types of material purchase requisition has been created in the material PR section. If you want to create any subcontracting PR, if you are hired any subcontractor for any certain job, then if you want to create some purchase requisition, you should to create purchase requisition in this section material subcontracting PR. Any types of service work order. If you want to create any service work order, then you have to create either service PR HO or service PR site. HO means head office, central office, corporate office person create service requisition from service PR HO, and site storekeeper, store manager, store executive should create any PR in the service site PR section. And if any item you want to transfer from one store to another store from other project, one state to other state, then first of all you should create a stock transport PR, and after creating a stock PR you create a stock transport purchase order, and after creating purchase order, a stock transport purchase order, you transfer of any goods, any material from one store to another store location, you should create a stock transport PR. I hope you understand all types of purchase requisition. A shortcut name is PR. PR means purchase requisition. Now we see another T code. Another T code is ME41. ME41 T code is used for creating comparative statement for more than one vendor quotation. Means we create requisition for quotation, and after creating requisition for quotation, we create purchase order. First of all we create PR, and directly after creating PR we directly create purchase order. If there is any system in many various company, first of all create purchase requisition, and after that create RFQ, and after that create PO. But many company generally, many maximum company follow the rule. First of all, create PR and directly after create purchase requisition. This option ignore all company, maximum company. Some company follow this option. Okay, how to create PO? For creating PO, we use the code ME21N. We see practical. Here, type \n or back. Here back. Click here back. Type here or type here ME21N Tcode. ME21 Tcode is used to create purchase order. PO. Shortcut name is PO. P means purchase, O means order. Here, our company has many options for creating PO. Many types of PO here created in my company. Most of all company has only two options: domestic PO and service PO. Domestic PO and domestic service work order. Many company follow only two options, but uh, some company
Next, we see the
divided
process of
it in
creating
the
a
many
reservation.
parts.
For
Means
creating
if
a
I
reservation,
have to
we
create
use T
any
code
financial related
MB21.
PO,
Why do we
then we
create
should
reservation?
select this option finance
Because
big PO
if
domestic.
we want
If
to
I have to create
take
any
any
HR
material
related any
from a
purchase order,
store,
then
I
I
have
have
to
to
create
select this option.
reservation
And
for
same,
taking
if
of any
I am
material from a
creating
store
any purchase
department.
order,
It means
a purchase order
the
against
concerned
IT material,
department
IT material
create reservation.
OPEX
Suppose
domestics
that if
and
I am
CAPEX.
working in
OPEX means
mechanical department,
general IT
so
equipment, IT
if I have to
IT
ask some
parts,
material from a
IT
store,
tools,
we
and
create
CAPEX means any
reservation.
IT
For this
related
we use MB21.
capitals,
Here
asset
we
should be
type
created in the
MB21 and you can see
different
the
different.
base date,
My company,
movement
our
type
company
and plant.
has been
Movement
divided it
type is
for
used
its own
for
simplicity of
indicating,
verification of
for
any
mentioning
record,
that
but
the
many
material
company
we
divided it
want
only
to
two or
take
three
from a
parts.
store
Any
where
legal
that
related
material will
PO,
be
if
used.
I have to create any legal related PO,
Means
like
the cost of
like
that material
liar fee,
will
any
reflect
government
in
fees,
which
any government charges,
department, which
then I
location,
have to create
which cost
the
center
purchase order
that
in the
material
legal
cost
section.
will be
Okay,
highlighted. So
if
if
any
we select
P&M
261,
means plant and
that
machinery
means
related
the
PO
consumption
I have to
order
create,
for
then I select
warehouse. It
P&M
means
PO domestic
many
101. But you
movement type
should
has been already
select
created
as
in
per
your
your
SAP.
company rule. You should select
So
the option
you
as
select
per your
age
company
per
rule. Here you
your
should select the option. First of all,
requirement.
we should select the option for creating
You have to
PO.
decide
First of all,
where
we should select the PO
you
type.
have to
Which type
use
of
that
PO
material,
you are going
and
to
according
create.
to that you
After
select
that,
the
we
movement
select
type
here
here.
vendor name, supplier name.
Suppose that
If you
I have
know
to
the
use this
supplier
material
code,
for
you type
project
here
expense.
supplier code.
So that
If you
we
don't know the
type here
supplier code, then you
221.
should
221
here
means
by
project
typing here
expense.
name.
Cost will
For
go,
example,
cost
I
will
type
reflect
here
on the project
and
expense.
press
After
enter.
that we
Here
type here
many
or
vendors name
plant.
appear in front of me. I select this option.
If we select the
Okay.
project cost,
After
then
that,
it is
we
mandatory to
type
select
the
WBS
PO
element.
date.
WBS
But
element
be
is
careful
the
while
budget
typing PO
of the
date, because once you
expense
have typed
head.
and saved the purchase order,
This
you
budget
don't change, you can't change the
are
PO date
being created
and vendor name.
from
You
EDP
cannot
department,
change the
your
PO name,
engineering department, your
PO date
management.
and
Suppose
vendor
that
name. So
we
that
have
while you are
selecting here
typing, while you are
HSD
searching the vendor name,
and
be
type the
careful,
quantity.
and also while you are
Okay,
typing the
and
PO
after
date,
that
be careful, because
we
everything
select
you can change, but two things,
the
vendor name
store location.
and PO date, never changed
If
after
we don't know
saving
the
the
WS
purchase order.
element, we search from here
Many
by typing
users
your project
make
code.
mistake like months wrong, and
We
vendor
save
code
this reservation
same name
and
to two or
we
three
will
vendor
get the
code
reservation number.
created
This
in your SAP
reservation
system.
person, store
Then
executive
you select
and
the
store
wrong
executive
vendor
will
code.
verify this reservation
Sometime you select
in his system in the SAP,
different types
and
of vendor,
after
like some
issuing
company
the
has been
material will
created
be
two types
issued
of
from
vendor,
your store.
one
Again,
asset type
GRN
vendor
process is
and,
very important
another
part of the
material type vendor.
inventory management system.
First,
If we
first of all,
create PR,
you
purchase
should
requisition,
you should
and
confirm which type
material
of
will
material
receive in
you
our
are
store,
going to purchase.
then we need
If
to
you are
receive
going to
that
purchase
material. If
asset type
anyone
assets,
required the material
then you
from store,
select asset
then
type
we have to
vendor.
issue the
For
material from
example,
store. If any material transfer from SAP in the store, so that
you see
for
here
every work,
Jaina
for
Computers
issue,
vendor
receive,
code.
transfer,
Here
we use
two
T
vendor
code
code created.
MIGO,
One
MIGO. MIGO T
1900.
code is used
Second
for every issue,
1004.
receive, transfer, posting,
1900 vendor code
etc.
is
So we
asset
show
type
here the
vendor code.
practical
Means
in
if
SAP
any
how to
asset
use this
purchased
T
from this
code
vendor, we select this vendor code.
MIGO.
If
So
any
you go to
material purchased
the
from this
SAP
vendor, we
and
select this
type this
vendor code.
code
Name is same, but vendor
MIGO,
code is
MIGO T code. First
different.
of all,
So
we
you
back
should
from
be
this
careful
screen. We don't
while
save this
selecting vendor
because
code.
I am
After that,
only
you type
show you how to
you
use
type the
the
here
T code.
purchase
So I
requisition,
don't save this. uh, I
requisition
don't save
and
this reservation.
purchase
And
item
here you in
serial number
return
here,
delivery
and
goods
press
received
enter
can
and
remove
create the
from
purchase order.
stock
I
storage.
have
We
already
use
many
generally
many
goods
video
received,
has been
goods issued,
created
transfer
how to
posting,
create PO, and
display
also I
only.
will give the
Some of
link
these
in this
are
video how to
oftenly
create
used.
PO, how to create PR. We are
First
going
of
to
all, we
only
select goods received,
explain
and after
how
that we
what
select
T code are
purchase order,
used
because
in the
outbound delivery is used
module
for
in this video.
for
Next T code is
debit note
used.
and transfer, and issue for issue option is used for issue of any material. So if I have to receive of the purchase order number will also receive right on the invoice. First of all, check all invoice is okay, all material is okay, and all the select the material number and type here the vehicle number and transportation details. If it is okay, then check and click on the post. Your document will be saved and material will be received in your SAP storage location and your inventory location. Number everything is okay, then we type here the purchase order number. T codes balance for and in the next with practical in the next video. If you don't